Learn how to stack a layer cake with filling. This easy technique can be applied to any layer cake with a soft filling. This could be anything from strawberry jam, lemon curd, caramel sauce, and more. You'll need your frosting, cake layers, and filling already made, as well as a cake turntable, piping bag, cake spatula, and I like to use a milkshake cup for filling. Start by cutting a hole in your piping bag. This should be a medium-sized hole, in between the size of a decorating tip and a cupcake tip. My top trick for filling a piping bag is using a milkshake cup, as it makes it so easy. Fill the piping bag with frosting. It's better to have more in here than less, and you can always transfer the remaining frosting back into the bowl afterwards. Place a small dollop of frosting onto your turntable or cake round if you're using one. Next, place your first cake layer bottom side down. This ensures that the edges are flush against the bottom. Next, add a small amount of frosting on top of the cake layer. I like to do this so the filling doesn't go directly on top of the cake. This creates a nice little barrier, but you don't need a lot at all. Use your piping bag and pipe a border of frosting around the edge of the cake. This does two things. First, it holds the soft filling inside so it doesn't seep out the sides of the cake. And second, it will give the next cake layer something sturdy and sticky to sit on top of. This will prevent that next cake layer from sliding all around. Add your filling into the center of the buttercream border, and be sure it's not so tall that it goes over the border, because then that would defeat the purpose of the border, so it needs to stay inside. Place your second cake layer on top, and then you're going to repeat this process. Add a small amount of frosting to the cake and spread evenly. Next, pipe a border of frosting around the edge. And last, fill it with filling. Top it with your next cake layer. Now your cake is ready to be crumb coated like a normal cake. When you have a cake with filling, it can help to pop the cake in the fridge or freezer for a few minutes to allow the filling and buttercream to set before crumb coating. Once your cake is crumb coated, I like to put the cake in the fridge for a few minutes to allow the crumb coat to set. Then it's ready to decorate. You can use this method to stack any layer cake that has a soft filling such as strawberry jam, lemon curd, caramel sauce, and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking tutorials.